Hey, I'm Mike. Does this look familiar to you? Well, if you saw yesterday's video, then yes, this probably does look familiar. Coffee, we don't need that. I've always got this coffee. Let me get rid of that. Let me put it over there. Okay. This is from the Now Company called E-Liquid, which I do not recommend. Nothing against the Now Company. I'm sure they make a lot of good stuff. However, this is packaged completely wrong. Take a look at that bottle and you tell me if you can figure out why that is no good. Besides not sure what's in the contents. Well, it's in a clear bottle. You can never put vitamin E oil in a clear bottle. Why? Because light will destroy vitamin E. Very simple. So will air. Those are the two culprits for vitamin E. So I do not recommend that whatsoever. Plus, hey, the Woody, just hanging out, huh? They also put in extra virgin olive oil in their bottle. I don't know why. If you're going to go vitamin E, just give people what they want, right? Yeah. Anyway, and that was like $15. That's what I paid for it. I'm sure you get it for less. Now, if you're going to take vitamin E internally, how about one of these? That would probably be a much better bet, right? Wrong. This stuff is made in a factory. Okay. This stuff, it's made in a factory. This stuff, it's made in a factory. They can call it vitamin E, but come on. It's like cheese food versus real cheese. Well, they may taste the same, but they are not the same. So, forget these. How do you know what's real and what's not real? On the back of these bottles, it has the letters D, L, and then a little dash, and then some other words. Well, if it says DL and a dash, it's phony vitamin E. It's made in a factory. If it's D dash without the L, it means it's real. Ooh, much better, right? There's a problem with that too, because a lot of these companies, they just want the money, right? Yeah, of course. And they will use chemicals to squeeze all the oil out of these seeds. That's no good for you either. They use things like hexane. That is poisonous. They use things like lye. That's what you use to unclog toilets. No, I don't want that in me. So forget anything that's phony. And as far as a liquid to put on your skin, put on your arms, your face, or anywhere else you want to put it, how about this? Now this got to be good. 24,000 IU Skin Health, right? Wrong. It's DL, made in a factory. Then of course we have this guy with supposedly real vitamin E. They don't tell you where it came from, but then for some reason they go ahead and throw in some extra virgin olive oil, and I don't think I want to be putting olive oil all over me. I don't think you want to either. Then you get this real stuff. This is true vitamin E liquid from sunflowers, extracted without using any chemicals. Problem is, trying to find this is next to impossible. You want this? Sorry, that's mine. But there you go. Vitamin E. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything at all, let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow.